Alright guys, here's another one for you. This Cat 262 skid steer came in to get blasted, epoxy primed and painted before the upcoming plowing season. It wasn't in terrible condition, but just needed to be freshened up. In these next few clips, I'm going to be removing the wheels and all the panels that can be removed. Here's a clip after it was all taped off and ready for blasting. In this clip here, I was doing some blasting on it. Here's a clip after it was all blasted. In this clip here, I'm epoxy priming it. I spray gray under all the areas that will be yellow and then black on the cab in the rear section that's black. Here's a clip after it was all epoxy primed. In this clip here, I'm spraying the top coat on the cab in the rear section that's black. Here's a clip after all the black sections were painted. Then I masked off all the black areas and got ready to paint the yellow. In this clip, I'm spraying the Cat Yellow in Imron Industrial Paint. Here's a clip after the yellow is all painted. In this clip here, I'm applying the new decals. Here's a clip of the final product. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. And if you want to see more videos like this, give me a follow. And if you're from the New England area and you need your machine cleaned up like this, reach out to me and I'll get back to you.